Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza Napoletana. First, gather your ingredients: 500 grams of 00 flour, 12 grams of fine sea salt, and just 1 gram of active dry yeast. Combine these dry ingredients in a large bowl. Next, slowly incorporate 325 milliliters of warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then cover it and let it rest for 2 hours at room temperature. After the initial rest, gently divide your dough into 2 equal portions, aiming for about 400 grams each. Carefully shape each portion into a tight ball, ensuring you create good surface tension. This step is crucial for achieving that classic airy crust. Place these dough balls into separate, lightly oiled containers, cover them, and let them proof for 6 to 8 hours at room temperature. This extended proofing develops incredible flavor. Now for the fun part, topping your pizza. Gently stretch one dough ball by hand, working from the center outwards, until you have a 12-inch circle with a slightly thicker edge. Spread about 80 grams of crushed San Marzano tomatoes evenly over the dough, leaving a 1-inch border for the crust. Then, scatter 100 grams of fresh mozzarella, torn into small pieces, over the sauce. Finish with a light drizzle of good quality extra virgin olive oil. To achieve that authentic Neapolitan char, preheat your oven with a pizza stone or steel to its highest setting, usually 500 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 1 hour. Carefully slide your topped pizza onto the scorching hot stone using a pizza peel. Bake for a very short time, typically 90 seconds to 2 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully puffed, golden, and slightly charred. Remove, slice, and enjoy your delicious homemade pizza Napoletana.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.